Hello friends, let me share some information about the main course, that is WhatsApp for Business. In this course, exactly what is the benefit you are going to get? First of all, I'm going to help you how you can use WhatsApp for business lead generation. Yes friends, so here you are going to have unlimited possibilities. Along with this, you are going to use WhatsApp for effective and efficient communication process. This is the simplest tool for getting the results. This is going to be automated lead generation machine kind of thing. It is going to work. You are going to know the mobile number and the requirement by the end user. You are going to increase the sales and revenue also. Along with this, you are going to save a lot of time and money. So you might be thinking, for whom this is? Okay, this is for whom? So this is for the entrepreneurs, trainers, teachers, along with that the small and medium scale business owners, consultants and startups, small and medium scale companies, professionals. With this WhatsApp for Business course, I'm going to help you to use WhatsApp for business effectively for better communication. Along with this, you can filter and group messages with different labels or different colors. In this, you are going to learn how to reply quickly with common messages. You are going to showcase all your products on WhatsApp as catalog. So this all you are going to do without investment in any website or technical skill or email learning or big investment, or even there is no need to study a lot. I'll be doing all this for you. So let me share the important 3 secrets of WhatsApp for Business. Number 1 secret, friend, it is WhatsApp secrets is you are going to know many easy way to communicate. There are a lot of WhatsApp secrets are there. We just use WhatsApp. So here, because of this session, you are going to learn those secrets. Along with this, let me share secret number 2. It is a smart profile. If anyone is going to click on your WhatsApp profile, they can see the best of your profile, which include your business details, your contact details, along with that email, website, and so many things. Next secret, third secret is automation. You can automate messages. Like anyone is going to send any message to you, you are going to welcome him or her with a greeting message, kind of say away message or quick reply. So these are the major 3 secrets. Let me share what are the outcome of this course. Means what? After doing this course, what you are going to get? So number 1 is the better communication. You are going to communicate effectively and efficiently because of this course. Second major benefit you are going to have is the automation. Yes friend, anyone is going to send any message, you are going to automatically send few messages. You are going to be the true leader. Third secret, third outcome is you are going to get more business. Yes, you are going to showcase your profile better. You are going to share your catalog, which includes your different product or services. Let me ask these questions to yourself. Example about time. If you spend few hours to learn, which is going to save hundreds of hours in future, is it worth to invest? Ask yourself, friend, about the business growth. If you are going to do a little investment and your business is going to get more leads or the prospects, is it worth to invest? What do you think? And the third question you have to ask yourself is the better presentation. If I can inspire, or even you can inspire people with better presentation or communication, is it worth to go for? If the answer is yes, then click the link given below. I'm sharing some action for you, that is the join the WhatsApp group. So the link is ourarea.in/WFBWG, WhatsApp for Business WhatsApp group. You can join other groups like Telegram or Facebook so that you can connect with us. WhatsApp is easy for you to access. Okay, so you can also visit the website ourarea.in/WFB, WhatsApp for Business. You can also refer the link, that is ourarea.in/WFB, for all the investment and detail. There is a special offer for you. Go and grab it now. So I'm sharing the training schedule and everything is available there. So what exactly you're going to learn in session number 1? Session number 1 is you are going to understand why WhatsApp for Business is a win-win model for growing the business digitally. That is the first thing. Along with this, you are going to learn how to install WhatsApp for Business without losing your data, how to design a creative profile with your business details. You are going to send automated messages for people who are going to send you the first time or after 14 days. You are going to send away messages if anyone is going to send any message after your office time. Maybe you're working from morning 9 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. If anyone is going to send any message after 6 p.m. or before 9 a.m., they are going to get some automatically alert away message. So you are going to send WhatsApp without saving people's number. So all these things you are going to learn in session number 1. You can see all the details. In session 2, what exactly it is going to happen is I'm going to help you whatever you are going to learn in session number 1. Now it's the time for implementation part. You are going to go through the recording of this session number 1, along with this the recorded LMS course. We are going to give you the access to the LMS. LMS is nothing but the learning management system, and you are going to complete the course and you are going to take action. Friends, my intention is for you to take action, more and more action. You can ask all queries, if any, by visiting this link ourarea.in/QA question answers. Okay, yes. In session number 3, what is going to happen? This is going to be again live session wherein you are going to learn WhatsApp secrets for better communication. In here you are going to learn about how to send message instantly without typing, that is by using quick reply system. You are going to learn how to group different messages according to different category, by even you can how to color code it. And you are going to creatively learn about the catalog, that is how to showcase your product or services and share your information in the best way. Okay, in session number 4, what you're going to do is, again, whatever you have learned till now, I want you to take action, the implementation of earlier sessions. You're going to again watch all the recordings for quick learning, and again, still if you have any questions, you can visit this link ourarea.in/QA for quick feedback. And I'm going to cover all these questions in the live sessions. Even in the group also, I'm going to answer all your queries. In session number 5, you are going to learn about the WhatsApp for Business Mastery course for smart business. Yes, friends. Along with this, you are going to understand what is the future of WhatsApp, that is WhatsApp desktop software, smart reply system, and smart automation system. I'm going to explore more information about this. You can see few feedback from other people. So let me ask you to join the WhatsApp group or Telegram group or Facebook group so that you are going to connect with us, and refer the website ourarea.in/WFB WhatsApp for Business for all the details. I'm going to share the special offer link for you, exclusively for you. So take advantage of that and refer the training schedule and go ahead and welcome. So this is all about WhatsApp for Business WFB. For more information, please visit ourarea.in/WFB. Thank you very much.